Welcome to InterContinental Berlin, a luxury hotel located in the heart of Germany's vibrant capital. Known for its elegant design, spacious rooms, and world-class service, this hotel offers a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Situated close to the famous attractions like the Berlin Zoo and the Thai Garden Park, it is the ideal base for exploring the city, whether you're here for business or leisure. The InterContinental Berlin promises a relaxing stay with a modern amenities and a truly premium experience. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. If you are new from my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Enjoy watching. Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. This is my second time staying here at InterContinental Berlin. But overall, I've also stayed at several InterContinental hotels in different countries. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience, focusing on the rooms and how comfortable our stay was. Welcome here at the InterContinental Berlin. This is the room 1102, located on the 11th floor. As I walk in, the first things I noticed is the peaceful and the relaxing atmosphere. Being on the higher floor makes the room feel more private and quiet, a perfect escape after a busy day in the city. The room features a large, comfortable bed with a soft pillows and quality linens, inviting you to rest and recharge. Right beside it, there is a bedside table and the lighting controls, making everything convenient and easy to access. You'll find the work desk and sitting area, which is the great whether you need to do some work or simply enjoying a coffee while planning your next adventure. The coffee and tea sets station, along with a complimentary water, adds as a nice touch of comfort. The room is spacious, well organized, and designed with a modern touches. The bed is large and inviting, with soft linings and comfortable pillows, perfect for relaxing after a full day of exploring. If you want to watch my Berlin journey or even my other travel experiences, you can check on my video or on my playlist. The location of this hotel is also very convenient. It's close to the major attractions, public transportations, and within easy reach of many of Berlin's main highlights. This makes it an excellent base for exploring the city. bathroom is modern and clean, equipped with a spacious shower, bright mirrors, and essential amenities that gives you the premium hotel experience. Overall, this room offers a comfortable, elegant, and relaxing stay, combining modern convenience with the luxury you expect here in Berlin. It is the perfect place to unwind and feel at home while exploring the incredible city. Welcome here at InterContinental Berlin at this room 1103 located on the 11th floor. As soon as I step inside, I immediately noticed how calm and elegant the atmosphere feels. Being on the higher floor gives the room a quieter sittings, and depending on the view, you may even catch a beautiful glimpse of Berlin's skyline. The difference from 1103 and the 1102, the city view, one is the Berlin skyline streets, Tiergarten Park view, inner courtyard view, or quieter but less scenic. Room 1102 may face one side. Room 1103 may face another side. Even next door rooms can have slightly different views. One room may be close to the elevator, more foot traffic, or farther away or more quiet. The layout of the Mirror Hotel open build rooms as a mirror images, so furniture layout, reversed bathroom or opposite side, same size, just leave. The bed type of these two rooms, one may have a king bed or twin beds. This is the room views from both rooms. Room 1102 likely faces the inner courtyard or side street. Quiet here, least traffic noise. Great if you want peace and calm, but the view may be limited. Room 1103 likely faces the city skyline or Tier Garden area. Offers a more scenic view, especially at sunrise or sunset. Slightly more lively depending on the city activities, but is still quiet at night. Overall, my stay here at the InterContinental Berlin was once again a comfortable and enjoyable experience. From the friendly staff, the relaxing room, the excellent breakfast, and the convenient location, everything came together to create a memorable stay. For travelers visiting Berlin and looking for comfort, convenience, and a trusted luxury hotel brand, this is definitely a place worth considering. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on my next travel adventure. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn, and I'm thrilled to share my travel experiences with you. There is nothing like witnessing the incredible beauty with our planet, with my own eyes, exploring vibrant culture, delving into rich histories, and meeting wonderful people from a different corners of the world. For me, it's a dream come true to have the opportunity to travel the world. I want to share you how they travel the world with Thorkenn, traveling on our unique way. If you are interested in seeing the world with me, please do check on my video or on my video playlist. Together, we'll create memorable memories that I treasure for the rest of my life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos so you can stay updated on our latest escapade. Every views, every like help us grow on our travel community. Let's embrace or embark on this adventure together and get ready to travel the globe with me. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and take care.